Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a coloring book cover in Ortiz AI, which is an online generative AI design platform. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to create kids' coloring book pages. So you can check this tutorial and you'll find the link at the end of this video. So I'm logged into my Ortiz account. This is the main dashboard area. Click on Create Design at the top, and then choose this option that says Fast AI Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 5 section, so click on AI Design Agents, and then from these options, click on Book Cover. It'll bring you to this page, where you need to complete these individual sections. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then click on Generate Prompts. It will then take a few seconds to generate the detailed prompt. And here's the prompt it generated. Now, it's a good idea to just copy the prompt and save it in another document just as a backup. Next, I'll use this drop-down and then choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 4:5. And then click on Generate Book Cover. It will then take a few seconds to process it and then bring you to the personal design section. And here is the coloring book cover it generated. Let me scroll down, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job even with the spelling of the words. But if you're not happy with it, you can hover your mouse over the image and then click on the eye icon and then click on Regenerate. But that's pretty much it. There is so much more you can do with Ortiz, and you can check this link in the description section to try it and get a discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.